guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video was totally unplanned. I just decided that I will sit down and do my makeup with you guys, for you guys. So a lot of you keep requesting me to share a makeup look with you guys, share a makeup tutorial. Now sharing a tutorial is really tough. That is not something that I'm very comfortable with because I don't know how to teach makeup, right? But I thought I will just sit down and do the kind of makeup that I do for my YouTube videos, and this is going to be a very candid, casual video. You can grab your cup of coffee, or you can also bring out your makeup kit and see me doing my makeup. Also, before getting into the video and doing this makeup look, let me quickly tell you that I am making this video as a part of a contest that is being held by InsdideOut. So InsdideOut is a Bengali family vlog channel and it is run by a Bengali millennial couple. This channel is so inspiring and I love these people. So first of all, they are having a Bengali vlog channel which is very inspiring for me. I love anyone and everyone who is on YouTube talking in their mother tongue. I hope to have a Bengali channel someday. Hopefully I will. And also they upload videos every single day, which is like, I think it's a lot of hard work and dedication because they are working full time, and even after that they're uploading videos every day. So whenever I feel tired and I feel like giving up, I remind myself that these people are putting out quality content every day, so I can do that at least twice every week. And also their editing work is awesome. They always try to do something fresh, something new. Even if it is a daily vlog, you are never going to get bored of their channel, right? So if you are a Bengali, make sure that you check out their channel. There's a lot to learn. And if you are not, then also you can check their channel because I think their content is very fresh. Their editing work is awesome. So you will really like it. And wish me luck. I hope I will win this contest and I will get a chance to collaborate with them because that will be a great learning opportunity for me. So yeah, without any delay, let's get started with this video. Okay guys, so this is like my bare naked face. I have washed it. I used this vitamin C chemical exfoliant from the Body Shop. I have reduced the use of physical exfoliant scrubs and instead I use this one. So this basically peels off the dirt and dead cells and cleans up the face. I use it once every week and yeah, I have used it. So next step, I will use a toner. So this is like my favorite go-to product. I love using this product. I think it really closes the pores and refreshes the skin, so I'm going to use it. I use it quite often, especially before using makeup. I think it revives the glow and just preps the skin well for makeup. Till the summer blows away. And once it dries down, I will apply the moisturizer, then the primer, and then I will apply makeup. So one quick thing that I want to share with you guys is the fact that make sure that you give enough time after each of these steps. This is something that I never did before, and I realized that when I use one thing after other without giving any gap in between, everything kind of smudges together and the texture gets very very cakey and it looks very artificial. So yeah, this has kind of dried down and now I will apply my moisturizer. So I am using this Clarins moisturizer. I have bought this a few months back. This is a little expensive, so I don't use it every day, but on days when my skin feels very dehydrated and I have to apply makeup, I use this one. So the good thing about this product is that it's like superbly hydrating. The moment you apply this to the skin sort of becomes very bouncy and very soft. So when you apply makeup on top of this, the makeup does not look cakey. That's a major problem with makeup during the winters. So I apply it whenever I have to do makeup. And yeah, I'm just going to apply it and let it sit into the skin.
Little tomcat, don't be afraid when there's a stirring in the meadow or a noise in the shade. I'll defend you and lead you from harm.
Okay, so toning and moisturizing is done. Now let's get into real makeup. The first thing that I'm going to use is a primer. I am an oily skinned girl and even though it's winter now, I don't sweat that much, but I will use this in my T-zone because I get sweaty, like even if it's winter, that part get sweaty and the makeup starts melting off, and also I have some pores. So using this primer actually helps in closing down the pores, and this is one of the best products from Color Bar. Like, I have used primers from a lot of different brands, high-end brands, drugstore brands. This is one of the best that I have ever used, especially for oily skinned people. So this is, I think, silicone based, and this really works amazingly well for my skin. So I will take a little bit of this and apply it on my T-zone.
Little tomcat, don't let me down, 'cause I have spent so long forsaken in this lonely old town.
It's time for a concealer. So this is MAC NW45 Studio Finish Concealer. I use this as an orange corrector. So as you can see, I have a lot of black spots on my face thanks to years of acne and pimple, and I use this concealer to conceal those scars. So whenever I'm getting ready for any of my YouTube video, I use this, and after that I use directly my powder, my setting powder, or if I'm doing a little more makeup, a little more full coverage makeup, I use this, and after that I use my foundations, because otherwise on those scars the foundation looks really ashy. So I'm going to use this, and I prefer using a brush to apply this on my face. So I am using this brush to apply the concealer. This is an eyeshadow brush. Most of my brushes are like, I have not washed them for a while now. I don't know why I'm not doing it. It's a pending task. I have to do that. I literally don't have a lot of brushes left to use. I have to wash them very soon, but for today I'm going to use this one.
Little tomcat, stay close to me, 'cause there are clouds on the horizon and a chill on the breeze. We're alone here, but don't you be scared. I've got a calloused hand, a farmer's tan.
Okay, the concealer is done, and next I'm going to use my foundation. So for my foundation, I'm mixing these two. So this one is from Bobbi Brown. It's the Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. This is a lightweight foundation, and this one is MAC Studio Fix. It is a full coverage foundation, so mixing them up kind of gives a balance. And also this one is a little lighter for my skin tone, and this one is a little deeper. So mixing them kind of gives me a right color for my skin tone. I am going to mix one pump of this, and I think one pump of this, that will be enough. It's not a very full coverage makeup anyways. So yeah, here it is. This is the Bobbi Brown one, and this is the MAC one. I think you are already seeing like it is of two different color. I am going to mix them up with a brush and apply that on my skin, and then blend it up using a face sponge.
By, just promise you won't stray. All that I need is some dirt and a seed, and I will feed you till the summer.
So for setting the face, I'm going to use this MAC Studio Fix compact powder. Now a lot of people use loose powders, even I do that at times, but somehow I don't know, loose powders do not suit my skin type. It looks a little patchy. This powder really sets the foundation in and locks it in and gives me a very smooth finish. So I really love using this one on my face. And by the way, at times I also use a lighter colored concealer to brighten up the under eye, but as I told you before, this is going to be a very natural look and I'm not going to do anything like that. So I'm directly using the setting powder, and for the powder I am using the sponge. Again, when I use a sponge to apply my powder, it really sets in well and gives a more natural look.
Take me as I am, then I will take you along. You and I.
Okay, moving on, let's set these brows. Now my brows are pretty full and I think the shape is pretty good. I pluck my brows on my own. I don't remember the last time I went to a parlor to do that, because every time I go to a parlor to get my brows done, they kind of mess it up and make it very thin, which I never like. So I pluck it all by myself, and I'm very proud of the kind of shape that I give to my brows. So for my brows, I am using a brow pencil. So I first brush my brows to remove the foundation and powder that's trapped. And once that's done, I am just going to use this pencil to fill in the blanks and use it very lightly. I don't want it to look very artificial, so I'm just like going to, you know, lightly fill the blank spaces and give it a little fuller look.
But don't you be scared, I've got a calloused hand, a farmer's tan, and I'm happy to share.
So for eye makeup, the first color that I'm going to use is this one. This is a very light skin color kind of thing, and I'm going to use that all over my lids. I hope I'm making sense, guys. I have never done a makeup tutorial before. I love doing makeup, but I've never done a makeup tutorial, so I hope I am making sense and whatever I'm telling you are being able to understand. Please bear with me. This is my first time and I'm very nervous about it. So yeah, I'm just going to apply it all over my lids and give it a good base.
Afraid when there's a stirring in the meadow or a noise in the shade.
I am going to do a smoky eye kind of look. So for that, I'm going to use this kajal and then smudge it out with a brown shadow. This line does not have to be perfect because I will smudge it out anyways, and also I don't know how to do perfect lines with a kajal. So smoky eye is the thing that's perfect for me. So I am using this brown shade to smudge out that black liner and create a smoky eye kind of effect.
I've seen people come and depart. With everyone there's a start and there's an end.
And next I'm again going to take this shade and smudge out the upper part to remove the harsh line that it has created to make the transition look a lot more natural.
Little tomcat, don't let me down, 'cause I have spent so long forsaken in this lone.
So as the last but very important step, I am going to use a mascara. So mascara is a must if you want your eyes to stand out. So even if you are not using any kind of eye makeup, make sure that you are using a mascara because that really helps to open up the eyes and make it look prominent and all.
You and I will both get by. Just promise you won't stray.
I have applied my mascara and I've just realized that I did not apply anything in the lower lash line, and usually I always forget this and remember about it only when I'm applying my mascara. So I'm not going to do anything complicated with my lower lash line. I'm just going to take this brown shade again and apply it in the lower line to give it a little bit of shadow. So next it's time for some blush, and I'm going to use this one. This is a cream blush from Ruby's Organic. It's called Deep Rose. I am just going to apply it on my finger. I'm going to warm it up with my finger and apply it on my cheek, and then maybe I will use my sponge to smudge it on my cheeks. This color really looks nice on my skin tone. So as you can see, I'm wearing pink, I'm applying pink makeup. When I was a kid, I never even thought that pink suits my skin tone. I had this weird idea that pink only suits fair skin tone, and when I got into college and I started reading a bit about makeup and how colors work, I realized that pink really looks nice on darker skin tone too.
All that I need is some dirt and a seed, and I will.
Okay, so I'm done with the blush, and I know it looks a little excess, but I am going to use the sponge to smudge it out and also use a little powder to set it, and that way it will be balanced out completely. So let's do that.
Little tomcat, don't be afraid when there's a stirring in the meadow.
Now next I will apply a little bit of highlighter, and for highlighter I'm just going to use this palette. I'm not going to use any separate highlighter, and I'm going to use this color. I think it will really contrast well with the blush, and for highlighter I am going to use this fluffy eye brush.
You and I will both get by. Just promise you won't stray. All that I
I was not very sure how the brush was working, so I also used my fingers because fingers are your best friend when it comes to makeup. It actually helps the makeup to melt into the skin and smudge beautifully. So if you don't have a brush, use your fingers, the result will be awesome. Okay, so the entire look is nearly done, and the last step is applying a lipstick. And for lipstick, I am going to use this reddish brown color, and usually I apply a lip liner for a very defined look, but when I wanted to look more natural, I don't usually apply a lip liner. I just directly apply the lipstick.
Tomcat, don't let me down, 'cause I have spent so long forsaken in this lonely.
So yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you have liked this look and everything that I said. And if you want to watch more candid videos like this where I do my makeup and talk to you guys, let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do them for you. I will be back with another video super soon. Till then, take care and bye bye.